Hello friends, this is Professor Sanjay Daff here again from Pune Division. Today in this video, I have come out with a program which you will find out of 10 board papers, almost 6 to 7 times it has asked. And the program is nothing but multiplication of 2 bytes. Now let us go to the statement of the program. Here, the statement is 2 bytes are stored in a consecutive memory location starting from 3500H. Write an assembly language program to multiply the 2 bytes and store the result in the memory location starting from 3520H. So this is the program for multiplication of 2 bytes. But we know that in 8085 instruction set, there is no instruction which will multiply the 2 bytes directly. So how we do this program? We do this program in terms of addition. So what is the logic of the program? Here, first we bring these 2 bytes which are stored in 3500 and 3501 to 2 registers. We clear the accumulator and then we add the first byte to the accumulator and decrement the second byte. We keep on adding the first byte to the accumulator and decrementing the second byte till the second byte is non-zero. The moment it becomes 0, second byte, our result is ready and the result is present at 2 different places. That is in accumulator and in carry counter. Because this is the program of addition of 2 bytes or more than 2 bytes we can add. We know that when any 2 bytes are added, there is always a chance of generation of carry. So to start the program, first I have taken register B as a carry counter here. We initialize register B 00. Then we initialize accumulator as 00. Why? Initializing accumulator 00 means what? We can also call it as clear the accumulator. We are making the contents of accumulator 00. So MVI 00 means move 00 to accumulator. Now why we move the 00 to the accumulator? Because accumulator is always holding some random data. And if we don't clear it, then when you add the first byte to that, the previous byte or whatever the data is stored in that, to that the byte will be added and you will get a wrong result. So to avoid that, we first make the contents of accumulator 00. After making the contents of accumulator 00, bring the 2 bytes in 2 registers. So the first is LXI 3500 and bring it in one of the register. I'm using register C for the first byte. So move C, M. Move the contents of memory. Which memory? Whose address is given in HL pair. What is there in HL pair? 3500. Means the first byte from 3500 move to register C. Then the second byte. Go to the second byte by using instruction INXH. Increment HL pair by 1 so that the pointer will point to 3501. This second byte we move to register D. So my first byte is in register C and second is in register D. Now add C. First byte is added. Add C means what? Add the contents of C to the accumulator content. So the first byte is added to the accumulator and check for carry. When you add it, then you will have to, there is a chance of generation of carry. So we first check for carry. If there is no carry, then go to label next. What is next? Decrement D. But if there is a carry, first we increment the carry counter by 1 and then decrement D. Then, and after decrementing D, we check whether the second byte is 0 or not, because our second byte is in register D. Jump not 0. If it is not 0, then go to label loop. Loop is what? Again add C. And then again check for carry. So this loop will be repeated as long as your D is not 0. Once the D becomes 0, then your result is ready. Lower order byte of the result is always present in the accumulator. So we store the lower order byte to 3520 because we are asked to store the result from 3520. So contents of accumulator will be stored in 3520 and then move the higher order byte which is there in register B to accumulator and store it in the next memory location and stop the execution of the program. So this is the program for addition multiplication of 2 bytes. Now we'll see the same program by giving the example. Now let us assume that in the first memory location 3500, the first byte is 05. I have taken the first byte as 05. In second memory location, the second byte is 03. So my program is of multiplication of 5 into 3. Now either I can add 5 3 times or I can add 3 5 times. Now in this program we are adding 5 3 times because the first byte is 5 and that first byte I am adding to the accumulator. Okay. So initially, as per this program, initially we have cleared the accumulator becomes 0. First byte we move to register C. So for C, register C becomes 05. Second byte we move to register D. D becomes 03. And initially carry counter is 00. First time when we add C, then 5 will be added to accumulator and we check for carry. There is no carry here because the carry will get generated only when the accumulator contents will exceeds FF. Now this is 05. So no carry will get generated and no carry. Then go to next, that is DCR D. D is initially 03, it becomes 2. That is D is decremented by 1. It is not 0, so again go back to add C. Second time 05 will be added to the accumulator, it becomes 0A. Again, no carry will get generated and decrement D by 1. It becomes 01. Still it is not 0, so go back again, add C. Third time 05 will be added to the accumulator, we get 0F. This is 15. And hexadecimal 15 is represented as 0F. Now in this case, again no carry will get generated. Decrement D, now D becomes 0. So D is 0. Control will come out of this loop and your result is ready at 2 different places. Lower order byte is at accumulator, store it at 3520 and higher order byte is in register B. Get it in accumulator and store it in 3521. So here when the 2 bytes that is 05 and 03 are multiplied, we get the result in 3520 0F and 3521 is 00 because though no carry will get generated in this case. Now the same thing will take when the carry will get generated. We take 2 bytes where the carry generates. Now 2 bytes, let us assume the first byte at 3500 is FF and the second byte is 3501 is 02. So FF is represented as 11111111 and 02 as 000000000010. Okay. Now in this case, this FF, the first byte, which is moved to register C and the second byte 02 in D. So we add the first byte that is FF. Initially accumulator 00 to this 00 accumulator, FF means 1. This is added. We'll get 11111111 in accumulator. In this case, no carry will get generated. Second register is decremented by 1. So it becomes 1. Again, this is not 0. So add it. Again, it will go to add C. So second time FF will be added. And then now your 11111111. These are the contents of accumulator to this. Again, 11111111 will get added. This is binary addition. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is carry 1. 1, carry 1. And this way, all here you will get 1, 1. And there is a end around carry or the carry generates. So in this case, your result is in accumulator, you will get FE. This is 1111 is F and 111 is E in hexadecimal. Okay. In decimal, this will be 14 and this will be 15. So 15 as F and 14 as E. So in accumulator, we'll get lower order byte of the result, which is FE. That we store it in 3520, FE in 3520 and move the contents of B. Now in this case, carry generates. So that carry will be moved to the accumulator and store it in the next memory location 3521. So this is all about the multiplication program. As I said, this program has come many times in the board exam, and I think this will definitely help you. If at all you get this program in the board exam, you'll be easily score 5 out of 5 in this case. So in this, today I have taken only one program here.